Hello, in this lecture we will learn about the first principle or the first sutra of Vedic mathematics, which is Ekadikena Purvena. In English it means one more than the previous one. Let's take a look at the applications of this sutra in mathematics. Ekadikena Purvena can be used to find out squares of numbers ending in 5, for example numbers like 25, 65, etc. Ekadikena Purvena can also be used to find out the multiplication of numbers with same first digit and complementary second digit. Later in this lecture we will see what are these type of numbers. The third use of Ekadikena Purvena is the division of any number in the form of 1 by a9. Let's use Ekadikena Purvena to find out the squares of numbers ending in 5. We'll take an example. Let's take 65 square. We'll first solve this by using the conventional way. So the conventional way goes something like this. You write down 65 into 65 like this, then you multiply 5 into 5, 25, 2 is carry forward, 6 into 5 is 30 plus 2, 32, then 6 into 5 is 30, 0, 3 is carry forward, 6 into 6 is 36 plus 3 is 39, so this becomes 4225. This method is very cumbersome and it is taking a lot of time. Now we'll use the Vedic method to find out the square of 65. Let's learn how to do it first. 65 square. The answer using Vedic method comes in two parts. So let's call this part as RHS and this part as LHS. So the RHS part is simple. It is 5 into 5. And the LHS part is 6 into, since the sutra says one more than the previous one, so the unit digit number is 5 here, the previous number to 5 is 6, so one more than 6, so one more than 6, so this becomes 6 into 7 and 5 into 5, so this can be written as 4225. This is 4225. Once you learn this method, you'll be able to write the answer in just one step. Let's take another example. We'll take 115 into 115. So LHS would be 11 into 11 plus 1 and RHS would be 5 into 5. This becomes 11 into 12 and 5 into 5. So this is 11 to 12 is 132 in the first part, 5 into 5 is 25 in the second part. So the answer of 115 into 115 is 13225. Let's quickly take one more example and we'll just write the answer in one step. 75 into 75. So this is 7 into 8, 5 into 5. This is 56, 25 answer. You can see if you use Ekadikena Purvena, finding out the squares of numbers ending in 5 becomes so much easier. But this is not some out of the way technique. This method simply uses a mathematical formula. Let's see how can we use that formula. So any two-digit number which is ending in 5 can be written as 10a plus 5. So the square of 10a plus 5 will be 100a square plus 2 into 10a into 5 plus 5 square. Here we are using the simple formula of a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let's simplify it further. This becomes 100a square plus 100a plus 5 square. So finally this is like 100 into a plus 1 plus 5 square. Now we can see this is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. So this is a into a plus 1 and 5 into 5. This is our LHS, this is our RHS. So this is the power of Vedic mathematics. Actually, these are the things which we don't notice when we study mathematics conventionally. But if you know Vedic mathematics, you will start thinking of different and new techniques on how to solve a problem. Let's take a look at the second application of Ekadikena Purvena, which is multiplication of numbers with same first digit and complementary second digits. So the number is something like 46 and 44. Here you can see 4 is the first digit in both the numbers and 6 and 4 are complementary. When I say 6 and 4 are complementary, it means that 6 plus 4 is equals to 10, or 6 is equals to 10 minus 4, or 4 is equals to 10 minus 6. However you want to look at it. So now let's see how this method works. This method also is a bit similar to the previous one, wherein we solve the answer in two parts, RHS and LHS. Here the RHS is simply 6 into 4. In the previous one it was 5 into 5 because the last digits both were 5. And the LHS, again like the previous way, it is 4 into 4 plus 1. Why 4 plus 1? Because the previous digit is 4 and one more than the previous one is 4 plus 1. So this becomes 4 into 5 and 6 into 4. So 4 into 5 is 20, 6 into 4 is 24. So the answer is 20, 24. Let's quickly write down the answer in one step for another example. We'll take 81 into 89. So this is 8 into 9 and 1 into 9. This becomes 8 into 9 is 72 and this becomes 9. Now let's notice here that this 9 is only one digit. So the answer is not 729. The answer is 7209. Why? Because since these numbers are two-digit numbers and the base of these numbers are 100, so the RHS part has to be two-digit. So it'll be 09 here. Let's take one more example. We'll take 31 into 39. So this is again 3 into 4, 1 into 9, 12, 0, 9. That's our answer. In the previous method, we have proved that Vedic mathematics is not just any new technique, but it's simply a new way of looking at mathematical formulas. So let's again try to prove the multiplication which we have done here using a mathematical formula. So let the two numbers be 10a plus b and 10a plus c. Since we know that b and c are complementary, we can say b plus c is equals to 10, or c is equals to 10 minus b. So this becomes 10a plus b into 10a plus 10 minus b. Now let's multiply. This is 100a square plus 10a into b plus 10a into 10 minus b plus b into 10 minus b. Let's simplify it further. this becomes 100a square plus 10a into b plus 100a minus 10a into b plus b into 10 minus b. Let's keep these part as is. So this is minus 10ab and this is plus 10ab, so they cancelled. This will become 100a square plus 100a plus b into 10 minus b. This can also be rewritten as 100 into a plus 1 plus b into 10 minus b, which is equal to c. So this is now a into a plus 1 in the first part and b into c in the second part. So this proves the way this technique is working.